So we're down the allotment today and we're looking at our potatoes, and we can talk about first earlies, second earlies and main crops. But what are they? Many people think it's the time that you sow your potatoes in the ground, but it is in fact the length of time it takes for your potato to grow. So first earlies can be pendulum javelin, swift, rocket, and second earlies are Charlotte, and I do prefer Charlotte. They've always been quite good, and these are some Charlottes that I've saved, and we can already see they're sprouting. So first earlies take around 10 to 12 weeks, and second earlies are a couple of weeks longer, so 14 to 16 weeks. So main crop is like a Maris Piper, Picasso, Wilger, King Edwards, or Maris Pear or Desiree, and they can be planted from March, April onwards, and they can stay right in the ground until around October time, and they make a thicker skin and they're good for jackets or chips or mashed potatoes. So first earlies, second earlies, new potato, and main is your main potatoes for your chips and for your roasties. So I hope that helps. A little explanation of what first earlies and second earlies and main crops are. So first earlies can be planted around March time, and they can be planted in buckets, containers, or even a bag, a compost bag upside down, or even in the ground, and they can be harvested from March onwards, and we'll be harvesting these June and July. And the same with the second earlies, which will take 2 to 3 weeks longer. You can still plant your mains in March, April, but they take longer. And your main potatoes will store for a lot longer. So we're going to do some chitting. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope that explains what first earlies, second earlies and main crop is. It's just the length of time. So first earlies 10 to 12 weeks, second earlies 14 to 16 weeks, and then the mains as long as the winter